Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy tech token on Binance Alpha. So as you know, tech just got listed on Binance Alpha, and I will show you how to buy it. First, you can open your Binance app and then go to it, but you have to sign in first. After that, you can go to your search bar here at the top. Then you can search for tech. You can search it, and then as you can see, there is tech on Alpha. You can click it, and this is the chart, guys. It's not really bad, I think, because it's a new token, so it's down. If you want to see the details, you can click info here at the top. You will see the 24-hour high, low, and also the volume. Also, you can see the audit here. You can see the audit here. It's good. If you want to buy it, you can just click chart here at the bottom. Then you can choose limit order or instant buy. That's it. If you found this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.